Hey guys, it's Pauly with J&P Cycles. Today I'm going to show you how to install a clutch in a big twin Harley Davidson. I'm going to use the Milwaukee Twins clutch kit by Energy One. I'm going to install it into my 04 Dyna Defender. We will get this started by draining the primary fluid. While it's draining, I'll remove the left side floorboard. Next, we can remove the outer primary. Now that the clutch is accessible, we will remove the 6 bolts from the spring retainer. Then, remove the pressure plate and all clutch discs. Be sure to remove damper spring and seat if your bike still has them. You will want to soak the new friction disc in the same type of primary fluid that you will be using before installation. Now it's time to put in the new clutch kit. Install one at a time and then follow with a pressure plate, diaphragm spring, and spring retainer. Always use the proper torque spec as well as the correct tightening sequence. Next up is the clutch adjustment. You're going to need to collapse the clutch cable to do this. With the lock nut loose, turn the adjuster screw until it makes contact. Then, back off a half turn. Now you can tighten the lock nut down. Clean up the primary cover and install with a new gasket. Snug all of the bolts and then be sure to properly torque in the correct sequence. replace your drain plug and fill up with primary fluid. Next, replace your derby and or inspection cover using new gaskets, again using the proper torque specs. Now you can reinstall the floorboard and lower the bike to do your final clutch adjustment with the cable. Adjust the cable out until you have about 1/8 of an inch free play and secure the lock nut to finish the job. Yeah, that clutch feels good. I can definitely tell that there's a 10% increase in spring pressure. That's gonna be perfect. No more clutch slipping for me. Well guys, you just saw me put the clutch in my bike. It was super easy with basic tools that most of you are gonna have already. So there's no reason for you to pay people to work on your bike when it's something this simple. If you wanna get a manual, get one so that you can see all your proper torque specs, and then do it yourself. Don't ride it like you stole it, ride it like you can fix it. Hey guys, if you like what you saw, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and check out our other videos. If you have any questions, hit up our 1-800 number, or you can ask me a question below. I'll be happy to get back with you. Now get out there, get on that bike, and go for a ride.